Okay, we need to solve this problem for h. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine like terms on each side. I can see on the left, the 7h plus 12 is simplified as far as it can go. But on the right, I've got this 10h minus 3h that I can combine. So 10h minus 3h, I get 7h, still plus 9. We're starting to see probably something funny, right? There's two 7h's. Well, let's get our h's on the same side. When we minus 7h from each side, well, they're both going to cancel. Now, it might be tempting to think there's an h left over. There's not. Both h terms are completely gone, completely eliminated. There are no h's left. So all that we have left is 12 equals 9. Now, is that true? Does 12 equal 9? Well, no, it doesn't. And so this would be no solution, or you could put does not exist, DNE. So on this problem, just make sure when you subtract the 7h's, they're completely gone. There is no 0h left. There's no h left. The h's are completely gone.